What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to move the minimap in Battlefield 6. If you wanna move the minimap, here's the full process. Start by pressing escape and then click on options to open up your game settings. Once you are inside the settings, go to the HUD tab and you'll find advanced HUD settings. Inside these advanced settings, look at option horizontal HUD padding. This is the setting that controls how far your HUD elements, including the minimap, sit from the edges of the screen. Increase this value to 100. As soon as you do that, you'll notice your minimap moves much further to the right instead of being stuck way over in the left corner. When you go back into the game, it should look far more centered and much easier to see during gameplay. Now if you wanna take this a bit further and make your minimap even clearer, you can adjust it separately. Go back from here and go to the System tab. Under the section labeled Creator, you will see Minimap. From here, click Edit. Now you get access to all the minimap customization options. You can increase the minimap size, for example, switching it to large if you want a bigger map. You can also adjust the opacity to 100% so the map stands out more, especially during intense moments where visibility really matters. Once you make these adjustments and return to the game, the minimap will look much clearer, larger and easier to track while you play. Just keep in mind, you cannot move the minimap to the top of the screen. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.